Good morning, children. Today we will going to do English literature lesson number 9, page number 43 of your English grammar book. The topic is use of is, am, are. See, the sentence is I am a student of class 2. Mrs. Soumya Khan is my teacher. Rita and Payal are my classmates. So now the words is, am and are the present tense form of the verb be. Is, am and are the present tense form of the verb be. Be. Present tense forms are used to talk about actions happening at the present time or now. These is, am, are the verbs which are used to talk about the actions which is happening right now at the present time. Is, am and are can be used as main verb, and it can be used as helping verb also in a sentence to support the other verb. Like here I am happy, you are happy. Here am and are the two main verbs here. But she is studying, they are teasing others. Now here is and are used as a helping verb who they are supporting studying and teasing as helping verb. You have to keep in mind, children, that am is used with I and is used with he, she, it, everybody, somebody, nobody, everyone, someone, no one, and singular nouns. Are is used with you, we, they, and plural nouns. So again I am repeating, with I we use am, is used with he, she, it, and with singular nouns when we talk about one person, one place, one animal, or one thing. Are is used with you, we, they, and with plural nouns, means when we talk about more than one person. Okay, let us continue the exercise now. Here you fill in the blanks with the verbs is, am, are. Mumbai is the business center of India. We are the students of Happy School. You are drinking orange juice. He is a naughty boy. I am writing in my notebook. The boys are playing football. Let us do the be exercise. Here you have to replace the incorrect verb with the correct verb, helping verb. Like there is many animals in the zoo. It will be there are many animals in the zoo. A dog are under the table. A dog is under the table. Here we are talking about singular noun. Dog is one, so we will use is. There is many puppies playing in the park. The answer will be there are many puppies playing in the park. Mr. Khan is my English teacher. So answer will be Mr. Khan is my English teacher. I am going to play tennis. Everybody is studying for the test tomorrow. Someone is knocking at the door. Done? Let us do the C exercise now. This is the last exercise. Use is or are in the following sentence. The cat is under the table. Only one cat is there, so we will use is. Some books. Now here too many books are there. 3 books are there, so we will use are on the table. The fruits are in the bowl. The children are making a lot of noise. Some birds are sitting on the branch. A boy is running. My brother is coloring with crayons. The geese are swimming in the lake. So here we have done this chapter, children. We will be doing the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.